Right, a really quickish one today. So this is a Makita Multitool. Seems to work okay, but the issue is actually here. So I can't change the speed on it. And you can probably see all the white dust all over it. Probably sort of plaster dust or whatever you want to call it. And inside you can see it's just absolutely caked with the stuff. So what I'll do is I'll get the compressor out. I don't often do this. I normally say I use a brush, but for this sort of thing, really is probably the only way to do this. So we'll just go around without causing any damage. Just try and get everything out of here, everything we can get to. You can almost see every time I go near it, there's another massive dust cloud comes out. So we'll go in through the motor as well, and you can see all that coming out the bottom there. Just everywhere. You don't want to be too sort of firm with this because you don't want to break anything, but also you just want to get everything out of here. So give it a really good clean. I'm surprised there's still massive clouds coming out of it, but there's just so much in here. There we go. Nearly. Right, so what we'll do is we'll get that switch off. We'll give it a good clean. We'll give underneath it a clean. We'll get some contact cleaner in there as well. Once I think I've got enough of this off, so that's probably it. So this just pops up, just as simple as that. Give it a bit of a clean underneath it, just so we've covered everything off. There you go, look. And we'll pop some contact cleaner in there as well, just around here. Hopefully this still works actually. We don't have to buy a new one because that'd be a little bit annoying. So give it a good clean out. We'll give it a good turn in a second when we get the cap back on. I've given that a clean underneath as well. There you go, look. So it turns okay now. So it was just absolutely full of cack, should we say. Whatever you want to call it. So we'll get it back together, see if this thing still works. Hopefully that switch still works, that's the issue. So we've got it moving again, but we just want to make sure it works. If we have, this will be a pretty easy, quick repair. Pop the base back together. Double check it still moves. There we go, look. Much better. Get a battery. So it still turns on, and slightly difficult at first, but then now it's much better. So a really simple fix there. Sometimes these things just get absolutely caked in muck that they don't move. But really quick, simple fix.